Hi, this is Tim Doms at One Clean Island, and today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. One Clean Island is a Key West-based initiative whose purpose is to act as the conduit of factual best practices and information regarding protection of our residents and others responding to the challenges of COVID-19. An online story posted by the New York Times last night says that there's intriguing new data suggesting that social distancing practices may be starting to work. An online story posted by the New York Times last night says that intriguing new data are suggesting that the harsh restrictions in place across the country are actually slowing the rate of coronavirus infections. The new data, produced by a company called Kinza Health, offer evidence in real time that tight social distancing restrictions may really be working. Kinza Health produces internet-connected thermometers that upload the user's temperature readings to a centralized database, and the data enable the company to track fevers across the United States. Kinza has more than 1 million thermometers in circulation and has been getting up to 162,000 daily temperature readings since COVID-19 began spreading across the country. The company normally uses the data to track the spread of the flu, but they recently adapted their software to identify clusters of coronavirus infections through spikes of what they're calling atypical fever. As of noon last Wednesday, the company's live map showed fevers holding steady or dropping almost universally across the country. The article goes on to say that the dropping fever trend does not mean that cases or hospitalizations will drop. Confirmed cases are expected to keep going up for a while because people do not always go for a COVID-19 test the same day they feel feverish. Also, many states are doing many more tests every day. Clicking on an individual county calls up the statistics for that county. As shown in this example, the trend for Monroe County shows the observed rate of influenza-like illness began to dramatically drop as social distancing measures were put into place. You can find links to this article and to this live map in the comments section below this post. There are currently 26 known cases in Monroe County, 16 of whom are men and 10 are women. Ages range from 19 to 80 years old. Out of the 26 total cases, 7 are considered to be community acquired and 5 have required hospitalization. As of 8 p.m. last night, there were 5,704 confirmed cases total in Florida, 5,489 of whom are residents. So far, there have been 71 deaths in the state of Florida. In a Facebook video posting yesterday, Dr. John Norris noted that he had seen an uptick in patients presenting with possible COVID-19 symptoms. In previous posts, he had mentioned that his phone had been surprisingly quiet. He theorized that we may be witnessing a second wave.
All of a sudden, 10 patients, none of them seriously short of breath, all of them with risk factors, including lack of smell, lack of taste, the sore throat, the cough, the bowel thing, all of them, well, I should say 8 out of 10 with the dry back of the nose and dry throat. Some people are interpreting the dryness in their chest, in this front part here, as being shortness of breath. When they talk about it, yeah, it's kind of like dryness, they tell me. And use 10 test kits. We're probably into the second wave, and again, the concern here is there wasn't fantastic social distancing in this group. Guys, social distance. Some of them were visiting seniors. Some of them were babysitting children. Remember, children are the asymptomatic spreaders. Don't let your kids have play dates. Be careful out there, guys. And the average person who came in the door here was between 30 and 45.
In a later post, Dr. Bruce Boros indicated that he expects a difficult month ahead, and he praised the community for its efforts and its cooperation.
You all have been seeing this week is potentially going to tell us which way we're going. I want to praise everybody for following guidelines, and if we make it through without any kind of a surge, it'll be due to the fact that everybody was listening, everybody paid attention. All of us have had the big hurt put on us financially. We now have one more month It's going to be a month of pain and a month of difficulty, but this community has been fantastic, keeping everybody together. As you all have been seeing, this week is potentially going to tell us which way we're going. I want to praise everybody for following guidelines, and if we make it through without any kind of a surge, it'll be due to the fact that everybody was listening, everybody paid attention. All of us have had the big hurt put on us financially. We now have one more month. It's going to be a month of pain and a month of difficulty, but this community has been fantastic, keeping everybody together.
Monroe County Emergency Management needs your cooperation to protect the wastewater system in the Florida Keys. People are cleaning and disinfecting more frequently with bleach wipes and potentially substituting other items for toilet paper, such as baby wipes and paper towels. Please remember not to flush them down the toilet. These items do not break down in the sewer system and can cause significant clogs that could lead to equipment failures. Please only dispose of toilet paper and human waste in the toilet. Anything else needs to go in the trash. Monroe County Mayor Heather Carruthers joined Governor DeSantis and other Florida County mayors for a COVID-19 press conference yesterday, where the governor announced that he is issuing a stay-at-home order for Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach, and Monroe counties to be in effect through the middle of May. Later, however, he indicated that he had misspoken, and he actually meant that the order is in effect until April 15th. That's it for today's update from One Clean Island. Be sure to join us for future updates, where we will continue our efforts to keep our island up to date with the latest and most reliable information available. And remember, you can always go to onecleanisland.com for more details. I'm Tim Doms. Please be responsible and stay safe.